Press the On button to access the home screen. First, we must configure the parameters of the recipe we want to save: temperature, time, humidity and turbine speed. With the buttons temperature, time, humidity and turbine speed, we will select each corresponding parameter. With the increase or decrease buttons, we set the desired value for each parameter. We can select different cooking stages for the recipe with the button phases. We modify the parameters of the cooking cycle in the same way as in the first phase. We can configure up to a total of 3 phases per recipe. Modify the parameters of the last cooking cycle in the same way as in the previous phases. We can also activate the preheating phase for each recipe. When you have finished configuring the recipe, press the menu button 3 times to save it. Click on the button down, position the cursor on the Save option, and click on the Select button. With the up and down buttons, we will navigate through the letters in the menu, and with the Select button we will confirm the desired letter to put the name to the recipe. Confirm the name with the Start button. Use the up and down buttons to navigate through the categories menu, and the Select button to confirm the category in which to save the created recipe.